In Lilandrill, my days blended rigor and joy. Mornings brought lectures on the old ways, afternoons spent in rapt study or teaching. Evenings were mine. I took to painting on the docks at night, where the lanterns or fishing boats bobbed like fallen stars and sea, lapped gently against marble quays. The smell of brine and wet wood mingled with my oils. Brushstrokes captured the moonlight on waves. My heart contented in the solitude broken only by the occasional bard's distant song. The linen of my painting smock, stained with pigments, felt lived in and comfortable against me as the cool night breeze stirred my hair. One such night, curiosity led me deeper. Strange lights flickered beyond the usual path's temporal rifts. Perhaps, or something more sinister. I followed, my starborn senses tingling. There, amid whispering ruins, I encountered the vestige once more, this time alongside monks of the Psijic Order in their gray robes. They investigated disturbances tied to the court's machinations, and threats to the academy itself. Danger closed in, shadowy forces seeking to unravel the island's magical wards. Together, we fought not with brute force, but with precision. I wove stellar magic to stabilize time fractures, my attention to detail spotting weaknesses in enemy formations that others missed. The vestige's heroism shone. The Psijic's ancient wisdom guided us. We saved the academy, preserving centuries of knowledge. 4 or 5. Impressed, the monks offered me a place on Artium. The journey there was ethereal. The isle shimmered into view like a dream made solid, its towers rising amid timeless gardens. Sapora Tower awaited, where Lornmaster Solaris and others delved into mysteries older than the Altmer. I spent seasons there, honing my craft amid scholars who valued both intellect and serenity. The air on Artam carried a perpetual spring sweetness, flowers blooming under impossible stars. I painted vast murals in silk-draped halls, shared quiet wines with contemplative minds, and found fleeting connections, gentle affections, with a fellow initiate, whose touch was as precise and tender as starlight on water. Yet Summerset called me home. 45. Upon my return, turmoil brewed. The Mormor, those treacherous sea elves from Pyandonia, had seized Sunhold, our southern port, with their serpentine fleets and storm magic. Hatred ran deep between our peoples, rooted in ancient schisms. I joined the effort to reclaim it, my magic turning tides literally, at times in my social acumen forging alliances among Dominion forces and the Vestige's companions. Battles raged on crystalline seas, the air thick with salt spray and ozone from clashing spells. Victory came hard won. Sunhold's harbors gleamed once more under Altmer banners. 38.